Speaker 1, male voice. Hey there, art lovers! Today, I'm taking you on a mesmerizing journey deep into the heart of Armenian art and craftsmanship. Get ready to discover the rich tapestry of tradition, history, and unparalleled skill that defines Armenian creativity. Armenia, a small country nestled in the Caucasus, boasts an artistic heritage that dates back thousands of years. Its art is a beautiful blend of influences, from ancient Greek and Roman to Persian and Byzantine, but Armenian art is uniquely its own, characterized by intricate designs, vivid colors, and profound symbolism. Speaker 4, female voice. First up, let's talk about Armenian carpets. These aren't just any rugs, they're woven stories. Each carpet tells a tale of the region, the weaver's life, and the cultural motifs passed down through generations. The patterns are meticulously crafted, with symbols representing protection, fertility, and eternal life. Speaker 1, male voice. And then there's Khachkars, the iconic Armenian crossstones. More than just religious artifacts, these stone carvings are masterpieces of art and engineering. Each Khachkar is unique, adorned with intricate lace-like patterns and symbols of faith, nature, and eternity. They're a testament to the Armenian people's enduring spirit and belief. Speaker 4, female voice. Don't forget about Armenian ceramics. From vibrant plates to detailed vases, these pieces are a fusion of traditional art and functional design. The patterns often reflect the natural beauty of Armenia, with floral motifs and bold geometric designs. They're perfect examples of how art can beautifully blend with everyday life. Speaker 1, male voice. Let's not miss the stunning Armenian manuscripts. These ancient texts are more than just books, they're artistic treasures. Each manuscript is meticulously illustrated with bright colors and gold leaf, depicting biblical scenes, saints, and intricate borders. They showcase the incredible skill and devotion of Armenian scribes and artists. Speaker 4, female voice. Armenian art isn't just about the past, it's a living, breathing tradition. Modern Armenian artists continue to draw from their rich heritage, creating contemporary works that resonate globally. They blend traditional techniques with modern themes, ensuring that Armenian art remains vibrant and relevant. Speaker 1, male voice. So, next time you see an Armenian carpet, a Khachkar, or a beautifully crafted ceramic piece, remember the centuries of tradition and craftsmanship behind it. Armenian art is a celebration of culture, history, and the unbreakable human spirit. Speaker 4, female voice. Thanks for joining us on this artistic journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of art. Speaker 1, male voice. And keep exploring because art is all around us, waiting to be discovered. Speaker 4, female voice. See you next time.